Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge X40 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Sound and Vibration. Then scroll down again. Click on Vibration and Haptics. And thanks to this switcher next to Use Vibration and Haptics, decide if you wish to activate it or disable it. If you want to enable it, you can also adjust all of those vibration options by tapping on the switchers next to those features. This way you can manage incoming calls vibration, outgoing call vibration, notification, alarm, and even touch ones. When you finished, tap on the back button and click on those two switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, and always show icon when in vibrate mode to turn them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!